Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Did you know that what you eat and how you pair it can significantly impact your digestive health? Today, we're diving into the art of vegetable pairings that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also enhance digestion. Stick around because I'm about to share some incredibly simple yet effective tips to boost your digestive health naturally. Good digestion is more than just avoiding an upset stomach. It's about transforming your gut health to boost overall wellness. A well-functioning digestive system helps maintain energy levels throughout the day and even contributes to clearer, more radiant skin. But how do these seemingly subtle changes occur? It starts with understanding how the combinations of foods you eat can play a massive role in this transformation. Let's explore how smart food pairings work their magic. So, what makes one vegetable pairing better than another? It all boils down to nutrients that complement each other, enhancing your body's ability to absorb them. Take fiber, for example. It not only aids digestion, but also pairs well with certain nutrients to maximize absorption. When vegetables are paired thoughtfully, they can double or even triple the nutritional benefits you get, paving the way for improved digestion and overall health. Let's get into some specific pairings that your digestive system will love. First up, tomatoes and avocados. This duo significantly boosts lycopene absorption. Next, kale and lemon juice help enhance iron absorption. For a real antioxidant powerhouse, pair carrots with Swiss chard. And last but not least, broccoli and mustard activate sulforaphane, a compound that fights harmful cells. These pairings aren't just nutritious, they're delicious. Now, how do you incorporate these pairings into your diet without turning meal prep into a chore? Start with simple recipes. A kale and lemon juice smoothie for breakfast or a tomato and avocado salad for lunch can make a big difference. Keep it quick and delicious with easy prep tips and tackle common obstacles like time and planning with pre-prepared mixes. Trust me, once you get the hang of this, your kitchen will become your wellness sanctuary. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to these real-life success stories from individuals who've seen minimal changes.
I feel so much better.
From more energy to visibly improved skin and even better moods, these transformations highlight the power of mindful eating. These are everyday people who've made these simple pairings a staple in their diets and have noticed life-changing benefits as a result. Let's quickly recap. We've explored vegetable pairings that enhance digestion and transform your health. Now it's your turn to experiment with these combinations. I challenge you to try them out and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.